Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to create a Instabot which will automatically log in our profile and send DM to our followers or the people we are following. Okay, first let us show the code. Here you can see the code. Let's break down the code so you can understand, and I will also upload this code on GitHub so you can easily download it from GitHub. The link will be given on video description. First, it's open a account.json file. Okay, what is account.json file? Account.json file is the file which contains our username and password for Insta account. Okay, if you want, then you can also give multiple Insta account. Okay, if you have more than one Insta account, then you can also give it here, just like that. Right now I am just giving my one account. Okay, so here you will give your username and password. That's it. So after give your username and password inside the account.json file, then it will ask you, do you want to send DM to your followers, which means do you want to send DM to your followers? If you type yes, then it will send DM to our followers. If you type no, then it will send DMs the people we are following. Okay, and that's it. Then it will open the login URL, give our username and password, then click on login button. That's it. So after click the login button, we might be get captcha or we might be get any challenge. If you get it, then solve the challenge and press enter. Okay, enter on your keyboard. Then rest of the thing our bot will handle automatically. So here you can see the not now button, which means sometimes Instagram pop up a notification. Okay, notification or something like that, so it will close this pop up. Then it will click on the profile, which may let you show, I mean this here it will click on the profile. Then based on our input yes or no, it will open followers or following. Okay, so it will open followers or following, then it will scroll and grab the user profile. Okay, if I show you here, you can see it will open the pop-up. Then here is it, here it is scraping the people profile. So here we are scraping first 10 profile, and I will also recommend you please don't increase this number more than 10, otherwise your account might be banned. So keep the number 10 or as low as possible. If you give 10, then it means it will scrap that first 10 profile link. Okay, so if you increase the number, it will increase more people profile link, but I will suggest you keep the number within 10 if you don't want to ban your account. Okay, so keep the number 10. Then it will visit every profile, assume our bot is scrap first 10 profile, then it will click each profile like that. Then after visiting the people profile, it will click on the message icon like that, and it will type your custom message whatever you give and send. Again it will visit another profile, then click on the message icon, then type message and send. Okay, that's it. Let's run the scrapper so you can understand. Okay, let's run our scrapper. First it asking, do you want to send DM to your followers? Here I am giving it no. Sorry, here it's asking type my custom message. So here you will give your own message whatever you want to send. Here I am giving hi. Okay, that's it. Now our scraper will open the login page and give our username and password automatically. And here you can see the text, press enter after solve challenges. Here we are not getting any captcha, okay, but we are getting this page, save our login info. Just click not now, then you will get a page something like that. Don't click anywhere, even don't click on not now, okay. Don't click on this pop up. Don't click on anywhere. If you click, then bot will not working, okay. You have to just press enter here, that's it. Then it will start its working. You can see first it is scraping the people profile, then it will go each people profile automatically and send the DM. First it is scraping. Here you can see it's open it's this profile, then it's sending the message hi. Here you can see, here we can see the cross icon, because my this account got banned because I was sending too many messages, but our bot is working. Here you can see I am sending message hi, okay. So our bot is working. That's it. So keep the number lowest at as possible, keep the number within 10, so otherwise you might be otherwise your Instagram account might be banned. That's it. I will as I said, I will upload this code on GitHub. You can get the link from my video description.